Hello everyone, my name is Venu ELLANDULA. I am from Karimnagar, Telangana. I recently completed my B.TECH in St. Martin's Engineering College, specializing in computer science and engineering. Later on, I joined in Jspiders, Punjagutta, and I have completed my Java full stack training in Punjagutta. I joined on March 14, 2024, and in 6 months I have learned a lot of things from Jspiders, and I am very thankful to Jspiders faculty who teach us very well to upskill myself and to start my career in IT field. And my special thanks to Vivek sir for Java and SQL for Afro sir. And I suggest you to join in Jspiders and Jspiders to upskill yourself and to start your career in IT field. So thank you Jspiders for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.